Hi guys, hope you are all doing well. So today we're going to install NGINX, Docker and Docker Compose in Droplets, DigitalOcean Droplets. So let's start. So let's create a droplet. So let's add SSH key. SSH. Add key phrase. So then copy this entire thing. Paste it here. Then save private key. Also save public key. Name it NGINX. NGINX. Check everything. Right. Let's create droplet. And after that, I also told you about domain name. You should have a domain name. So I'm using Cloudflare DNS at present. So as you can change here the DNS records. So copy this IP address, paste it in these records. Okay, we only created 2 records. So let's check. It's pointing to the current domain or not. 05. Browse the private key here. SSH key is private key. So it's working. First, let's check for updates. We are adding user NGINX. So let's add that user to sudo group. So we're copying the SSH folder in root to NGINX user so that we can directly access NGINX user using SSH. Okay, then reboot. NGINX. Okay, we're using NGINX user. So now we install Docker Compose, and NGINX. I will provide this document in the Discord, so make sure you join the Discord. And thanks to the awesome open source, he provided a detailed guide how to install Authentics. So we are installing without using user root. So copy this command, git clone, then paste it in our terminal. So let's check if it's there. Okay, there is Docker install. This is directory. So cd. So what should we do? So let's make it executable. Okay, then let's start installation. No. So let's wait 5 minutes until it completes. So we installed Docker and Docker Compose. So you can also find this document in Discord. Paste this command in terminal. So I made this executable so that I can execute. So we want NGINX proxy manager. No need of portainer. No need. So after completion of the NGINX, you can see your username and password here. So let's check that. Okay. 05.me. Let's go to the port 81 so that we can configure it. Okay. Admin@example. Change me. So go to the dashboard and add proxy host. I don't want to use port 81 and non-HTTP to use Nginx. So let's add a proxy host. Domain name proxy.in ghos2ghost dot forward host IP 27.0. So it's local host and forward port is 81. Let's add an SSL. Host SSL. I agree to these services. Then save. Let's check. It's working. Yes, it's working with HTTPS. So we configured Nginx proxy manager. We also installed Docker and Docker Compose. This is the important thing because we're gonna install Docker and Docker Compose in future videos for authentic. So there is a problem after configuring Nginx to use SSL. We can also use this port 81 thing. So it is HTTP and port 81. So I don't want anyone to access this. So let's create a firewall rule in DigitalOcean. So let's go to networking. After that, firewalls, create firewall. So we want to allow SSH and HTTP, HTTPS. Only port 80 and 443. Then select droplet. Droplet name is NG. Create firewall. So firewall created. Then let's check. So as you can see, we can't reach this port. So that's it for today, guys. So in the next video, we will configure Authentics to Nginx proxy manager.